the stock market just had some of its largest one-day gains since 2008. The S&P 500 was up in one single day 9.5%, and the NASDAQ roughly 12%. I don't think people understand how large these percentage moves are. The market was looking for an excuse to rip. And this is what I was talking about in this tweet from the other day, that when we see markets down, there's going to be risk to the downside and the upside. And so we have to really be careful with the decisions that we make, because we, of course, want to minimize downside risk, but a lot of times people aren't thinking about the upside risk, the risk of you not being invested when the market makes some of its largest percentage moves. We were one headline away from this. Of course, none of this is over yet. We still have a ways to go until the market can have a little bit more certainty with what's going to happen with the economy. But it is clear that the stock market hasn't lost hope for what 2025 is going to end up looking like in terms of economic activity and corporate earnings. Of course, nobody knows the future. Nobody knows what's going to happen. So could we see the stock market roll over and go back to retest those lows for 2025? It's very, very possible. But the price action today really tells us that nobody knows anything. And all you can do is just keep investing.